Yo, what's going on, beautiful people? I'm the Revive King, and you are in the lab with Nu Life Kicks. We bring dead kicks back to life, and today we have a pair of 2018 Concord 11s, and we're gonna show you how to go from this to this. In this video, our main area of focus is going to be the mesh. As you can see, that mesh looks a mess. And this is totally normal. Mesh gets dirty really easy, but it's so challenging to clean it. Let me show you guys how easy it is to clean them the new way. Let's head to the lab.
Here are some tools we'll need. The Nu nylon scrub, the Nu Antidote of course, distilled water, and the detailing steamer. Be sure to remove the laces for detailed cleaning.
All right, guys, we're gonna use this steamer right here. This is not necessary, but this is gonna help our job become a lot easier. This steamer is gonna blow out a lot of hot water and help break down that dirt and make it easier to get that mesh super white. All right, now I'm gonna apply the Nu Antidote. I'm gonna just spray the mesh and I'm gonna let it sit for at least a minute or two before I actually begin brushing. And then we're gonna use our Nu nylon scrub to dislodge the dirt. The Nu nylon scrub texture complements the mesh fabric. It's gonna make sure it protects it. It's a lot similar to the mesh, so you can scrub as much as you want and keep the fraying to a minimum.
Sock bunnies, the Nu nylon scrub will take care of that. The nylon scrub is the go-to tool, so use it in combination with the air compressor to really dislodge dirt from the surface. We didn't even need a lint shaver.
All right, guys, you see how foggy this water is? Before I rinse this sneaker, I want to make sure this water is clean. All right, guys, rinsing is one of the most important parts of this process. A good thorough rinse will ensure a good, clean, white mesh. If you don't rinse it well enough, your mesh isn't gonna be super white, it isn't gonna be super clean, so pay attention and take notes. All right, guys, check this out. You see that? That's telling me that there's still solution inside of the shoe. You wanna completely flush out the solution. I'm gonna dunk this shoe in this water. This water should get foggy. It should get soapy. It should get foggy. I'm gonna keep repeating the process until that water is clear when I dunk that shoe. That's gonna let me know that there's no dirt, no solution left inside the sneaker. Check out, see how dark that shoe is now. See how dark that is? All right, now I'm gonna get clean water and I'm gonna do this again. All right, guys, we got our second dunk. Water definitely looks a little clearer than last time, and we don't see as many suds. But water's still dirty. Going in, this is our fourth rinse, our fourth dunk.
To make this process faster, you can simply rinse the sneaker underneath the sink.
That looks pretty good.
Pat drying will help pull out heavy water, and using a high pressured air compressor will rid the shoe of water and microscopic dirt even better. To brighten and whiten the mesh, place the sneakers under UV light for at least 18 hours. Dirt and yellowing can be stubborn. For super dirty pairs, a second cleaning may be necessary. During the second cleaning, focus on using hot water and get a good rinse to really knock out those stubborn stains. The hot water from the steamer is going to be clutch at really breaking down dirt, making it easier for it to dislodge or be removed from the surface. I can't stress how important the rinse is. The rinse and the blowout. Using the compressor to blow out the dirt and using the water to rinse is super clutch. And after a 48-hour UV session, voila, look at those results. That's a Nu Life finish. Like, share, and comment, and make sure you tell your friends to evolve the way they maintain their kicks using Nu Shoe Element.
Nu Life is shoe life.